What could be this Manzano trait? In an interview, Luis Manzano shares the trait his daughter has inherited that's from the Manzanos. Rosie is one of the social media darlings many people are drawn into. She is the firstborn of celebrities Luis Manzano and Jessie Mendiola. She has this fair skin, the cutest eyes, and the most adorable love. People can't help but just be immediately fall in love with her. They affectionately call her Peanut. In an interview, Luis talked about his daughter whom he loves so much, and shared the Manzano trait he noticed she inherited. According to him, his daughter has this kind of naughtiness in her which he is sure is from his side of the family. He shared, "Pihiya siya, personality-wise. Definitely a Manzano." He explained that what she would often do playfully is when they become tender or affectionate towards her, she would go near them, but would run away once it starts. He added, "It's a Manzano trait. Yung pagiging sobrang nang-aasar. And I wouldn't be surprised na when she starts talking na, mapang-asar na tao ito." Apart from her naughtiness, Rosie also loves reading. She's a mama's girl, but the bonding they always do together is reading a book before bed. Her favorite book now is Papa Get the Moon for Me, and what he does is change the name of the kid to Peanut. In a previous article, Luis opened up about fatherhood, and according to him, it's overwhelming. It's been already over a year since they welcomed Rosie, and although he has learned a lot already, he believes that there's still a lot more to learn. It's still a long way to go.
You like your strawberries and blueberries? Can I see your pa-cute face? Ay, sus! Ay, sus! Can I see? Ay! Beautiful eyes naman yun. Ay, sus! Hi, everybody! I'm eating strawberries and blueberries. Show your pa-cute face again. Hi! Pakapit sa strawberry. Ay, sus, ay, sus. May look away pa. Ay, sus, ay, sus.
Peanut, Peanut. Peanut, Peanut, Peanut. Peanut, look, Peanut. Peanut. Peanut, Peanut. Again. Peanut. Again. Peanut, look, Peanut, 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 look. Peanut, don't. Peanut, kailangan mong kumain. Don't. Ginapagalitan nga kita. Kailangan mo seryosohin si Papa. Kunwari galit na galit na si Papa. Peanut, ba't ngayon ka lang umuwi? Sino kasama mo? Alas 3 na ng umaga. Don't. Don't. Okay. Hey, Peanut, don't. I'm getting mad nga. Paano pa yan paglaki mo, okay? Peanut, don't. Peanut, Don't. Peanut. Paano yan pag you're older na? Siyempre, kailangan kita pagalitan. Peanut. Peanut. Don't. Why are you laughing? Huwag ka maghanap ng kakampi.
Don't.
Peanut. Don't. Ba't late ka umuwi? Sino yung mga kasama mo? Peanut? Don't.